say welcome to Fancy on 14.
Wait, why are you speaking British or what is it, Australian?
Because I've been watching Call the Midwife.
Oh my gosh. Welcome to our channel, Fancy on 14.
I love the British accent.
Hello. Welcome to our channel.
That was like not.
Cheerios, old chipper. I can do it way better than her.
Cheerios, old chipper.
Anyways, we hit 777 subscribers.
777.
So we saw that number pop up on our phone, and we were like, yes, that's a lucky number. So we are going to make a video and give out something. Just give out something small, like a little gift.
It's just a small giveaway.
And we had an idea.
As a thanks to all of our 777 subscribers.
Because that means a lot. I mean, that is a lot of people. Even
is.
Some people have huge accounts, but we've trended our way up there, and we saw that number, and it's just, I don't know, it popped out to us. We saw the 666 number a while ago, and we were like, eh.
Luckily that one didn't stay very long.
Yeah, so we were
driving, and you were like, oh no, we got 666. Oh wait, it's 667.
Yeah, we were safe. So now we're at 777, and we're like, hey, let's do something neat, and we'll do a little game with our subscribers we have out there.
Yeah.
So Meredith came up with an idea. We were gonna originally go live and do that, but we figured we may lose that 777 mark, so we're gonna capture the moment at that 777 subscribers and do a game. So tell them what we're doing, how we're gonna pick the winner.
Okay, so what it is you're gonna have to guess how many fowl birds that you think that we have.
That's all together fowls, not just chickens. That's chickens, guineas,
ducks, geese. Keep in mind, if you've watched any of our videos, you'll know we've gotten geese.
Yep.
And we've gotten more chicks.
I'm gonna say just a handful of baby chicks. Did you put a video of them on there yet?
No.
If not, okay. So we have to tell them how many baby chicks we have then.
No, it doesn't matter because
we can give them
just
that. How many
take a ballpark idea of how many fowl birds I think we have.
We have 8 baby chicks out there. I'm helping you out. 8 baby chicks to start with, and the other ones I don't know how you're gonna guess. So you got to guess a number. So whoever can guess, or guess the closest, whether you're above or below it, whoever's the closest to that number of how many fowl we have out here on our homestead is going to have a package that we're going to put together for you guys, just something small to show our appreciation, and we're going to ship that to you personally. So all of our subscribers do mean a lot to us, and we thought this would be a neat way to just kind of say, hey, we're thankful for you guys. The number it's a lucky 777 number, so we felt like doing something like this. So leave a bunch of comments below.
Well, no, don't leave a bunch. You only get one comment per person.
You're right. One shot. Actually, I'm going to someone to be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get one comment with a number.
Yeah.
And then once we see the comments, how many days you want to give it?
Probably until just tomorrow. So it's Saturday night right now. We'll post this video as soon as we're done talking.
Yeah, this will be an easy one to throw on there. So then we'll do it Sunday night. So whoever's our active subscribers right now, this weekend, we're going to pick one of you guys and we're going to send you something special. Not all those millions of comments that are going to be on there. We're going to stop at 9 p.m. because we know we're going to get a lot of comments on this. So we'll stop at 9 p.m.
What if we get 3?
Hey, that's a 33.3. That's my favorite number. Someone's going to win. Whether it's 1, 2, or 3 or 300, someone's winning. And we'll hold true to our word. So anyways, at 9 p.m. tomorrow, we're going to go back and we're going to look at the comments. We're going to go through all of them. And if multiple people guess, which I think would be crazy, if there's more than one of you, we're going to do the right thing and we'll send a couple packages. But if that one person is the closest, we will make a comment to you on there and give you our direct Fancy on 14 email. So that way you can send us all your shipping details and we'll go from there. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens. So all the fowl together, give us a guess on that number and we'll let you know who wins tomorrow in the comment section.
Yes, we're doing a giveaway for our 777 subscribers.
Yeah, and if we get to 1,000, which is the big mark, we're gonna go live and do something even more special than this. So again, we appreciate all you guys so much. Thank you very much for participating in our subscribing to our channel and just giving us the support.
We appreciate you.
Yeah, it means a lot to us.
It does.
Thanks, everybody.
Bye.